Hey guys, this is Derek from Modern Castle. We just received the AllForm sofa a few days ago. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing, put it together, and then we'll have some initial thoughts at the end. With that said, let's go ahead and get started. Well guys, here we have it totally unboxed. This is a 3-seat sofa, so you see each of the individual seats here. Each seat has 4 pieces. We have the kind of main cushion that you sit on, the back cushion, the back support, and then the base itself. In addition, we have the 2 end arms over here, as well as a box of hardware that has the legs and some other just parts that we're going to need to put this guy together. So next up, we're going to move on to actually assembling it, and we'll see how that goes. Well guys, that is it. The AllForm is fully assembled and put together. Overall, the assembly was pretty easy. The T-bolts and the overall toolless assembly is really nice. The legs screwed in without any issue. The only real issue that we experienced was the pins required to connect each of the arms to the main bench. The process is just a little tricky. It sort of seemed like we had it the first time, but as we got further along, it was clear that it wasn't quite in. The first time when we had the issue with those arms was immediately apparent because we couldn't get the T-bolts on the bottom to line up. And then at the end, the couch wasn't quite sitting level. Again, both those issues were just resulting from the fact that we didn't quite get the pin fully connected. So we were able to reset that, and that resolved both of those issues. So as you're going through that process with the pin, you do want to take extra care to make sure that that gets in, locked fully in place so that the couch is level and that everything sort of lines up and you can fully get everything assembled correctly. If you'd like to see our full review for the AllForm, be sure to get subscribed and check back in a few weeks. We'll have that video coming very soon. If you want to see more from Modern Castle, visit us at moderncastle.com. Be sure to like our channel, get subscribed, and always thank you so much for watching.